Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. There has been a very important update from the Health Department that the Centre on Saturday directed that the states and union territories that no fresh registration of healthcare and frontline workers will be allowed, as some ineligible beneficiaries in this category were getting their names enlisted for vaccination against the COVID-19 in violation of the rules. This is a very important update that the Union Health Secretary Mr. Rajesh Bhushan in a letter said registration of person aged 45 years and above will continue to be permitted on CoWIN portal and asked the states and union territories to ensure universal vaccination of already registered healthcare workers and frontline workers at the earliest. The Centre on Saturday said that the healthcare and other frontline workers can no longer register themselves on the government portal for getting the vaccine. India is currently in its third phase of vaccination drive, with everyone above the age of 45 now eligible for the shot, which means to say all healthcare workers as well as the frontline workers who are already registered will be allowed to go for the vaccination, but no fresh registration with respect to the healthcare workers and frontline workers be allowed. The question is why such a decision has been taken. The country has launched its vaccination drive on 16th of January, but it was limited only to healthcare workers, and vaccination of the frontline workers started from the 2nd of Feb. The next phase of the vaccination commenced from 1st of March for those who are above 60 years of age and for people aged 45 and above with specific comorbid conditions. The third phase began on April 1st. In the letter, the Union Health Secretary, Mr. Rajesh Bhushan, said all efforts have been made in close collaboration with states and union territories to saturate vaccination of the healthcare workers and the frontline workers, while tracking the progress timeline for completion of vaccination of the healthcare as well as the frontline workers with first dose of the vaccine has been extended multiple times. Around 1 month has gone by since these timelines, and even after stating that the vaccination for the population of above 60 years, provision was given even to register for vaccination for the healthcare and the frontline workers with a view to ensure optimum coverage. Now, there has been various inputs and information have been received from different sources that there has been a 24% increase in the healthcare workers database in the past few days in getting vaccinated is termed as a complete violation of the prescribed guidelines by the centre. The secretary said that the states to discourage this practice as it was in violation of the health ministry guidelines. At the same time, he has directed officials to ensure that the workers who are registered for the shot on time are to be vaccinated at the earliest. Now, because of this 24% jump in new registration by the healthcare workers, many of the Indian citizens who are aged above 45 are not being able to register for vaccination. And that is the reason why Centre has taken such a stance. Now, India aims to vaccinate 4 crore people by August 2021, but experts say the pace needs to pick up further to meet the target. The third phase opens amid a sharp surge in the virus cases over the past month. So viewers, it is very important that whenever the age bracket is given and is open for vaccination as part of the Indian citizen, if you are falling in that particular age bracket, you require to get yourself vaccinated. So individuals who are above 60 as well as for those who are above 45 requires to immediately register and get vaccinated, because henceforth the registration window will open for age group of above 30 to 45, and therefore it is essential that you get yourself vaccinated at proper time when the government is allowing vaccination to be done. This was an important information which I felt like sharing with you all. Moreover, any information related videos, you will get updated information from this particular channel. So would request viewers to be associated with this channel. Till then, thank you. Take care.